Number 15. Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon. Let's talk about the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon, a sleek, ultra-lightweight laptop designed to impress. Weighing in at just 2.2 pounds, this powerhouse combines portability with performance. Its 13.3-inch display boasts stunning clarity, while the robust Intel Core processors handle multitasking with ease. The Yoga Slim 7i's carbon fiber body ensures durability without sacrificing style. Whether you're taking notes in class or powering through assignments, this laptop offers excellent battery life and quick charge capabilities, making it the perfect companion for any student on the go. Simply put, it's the ultimate balance of performance, portability, and elegance. Number 14. HP Envy 16. Looking for a laptop that balances power and portability? The HP Envy 16 is a standout for college students in 2025. This powerhouse combines a sleek design with impressive specs, making it perfect for multitasking, gaming, and creative work. With its stunning 16-inch display, you'll enjoy crisp visuals whether you're working on assignments or streaming media. The NV16 also boasts powerful processors and ample storage, making it an ideal choice for students who need both performance and style without compromising on battery life. It's a versatile option that can handle anything your college workload demands. Number 13. Framework Laptop 16. For students who want to future-proof their laptops, the Framework Laptop 16 is a game-changer. This innovative device offers a modular design, allowing you to upgrade and repair components like the RAM, storage, and even the motherboard. It's built with sustainability in mind, making it perfect for eco-conscious students. Beyond that, its high-performance specs and ultra-customizable options make it adaptable to your changing needs throughout college. Whether you're coding, designing, or multitasking, the Framework Laptop 16 offers both power and flexibility, ensuring it will grow with you during your academic journey. Number 12. LG Gram 16 2025. Looking for a laptop that's both powerful and incredibly light? Meet the LG Gram 16 2025, weighing in at just 2.6 pounds. It's a game-changer for students who need portability without compromising performance. With a stunning 16-inch display and up to 22 hours of battery life, it's ideal for long study sessions and multitasking. Whether you're attending online lectures or working on projects, the LG Gram's impressive battery life ensures you won't be tied to an outlet. If portability and productivity are your priorities, the LG Gram 16 is a top contender for your college laptop needs. Number 11. Acer Chromebook Spin 714. Looking for an affordable yet powerful laptop? The Acer Chromebook Spin 714 is a top choice for college students. Its 14-inch touchscreen and 2-in-1 design make multitasking and presentations effortless, while its long battery life ensures you stay productive throughout the day. With a sturdy, sleek build and an easy-to-use interface, it's perfect for virtual classes and everyday tasks. Plus, it's budget-friendly, making it an ideal option for students in 2025 who need value without compromising on performance. Number 10. Google Pixel Book 2. Imagine having a laptop that's not just a tool, but a seamless extension of your lifestyle. The Google Pixel Book 2 redefines productivity with its sleek design, instant boot up, and integration with Chrome OS. It's perfect for college students who rely on cloud storage and Android apps. Featuring a vibrant display, outstanding portability, and a battery life that powers through long study sessions, this laptop ensures you're always ready to tackle assignments. Whether you're in a lecture or a cafe, the Pixel Book 2 keeps you connected, efficient, and ahead of the curve. Number 9. Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra. Looking for a laptop that combines power and style? The Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra delivers just that. With its stunning AMOLED display, it's perfect for creative projects, entertainment, or studying. Equipped with powerful hardware, it handles multitasking effortlessly, making it ideal for students balancing assignments and media. Plus, its sleek, lightweight design ensures easy portability, making it a great companion for campus life. If you want a blend of elegance and performance, the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra is the premium choice. Number 8. Razer Blade 14 2025. Looking for raw power in a portable package? The Razer Blade 14 2025 is your go-to. It combines sleek design with incredible performance, perfect for both intense tasks and gaming. Equipped with cutting-edge processors and a stunning QHD Plus display, your visuals will pop with clarity. Its compact size fits perfectly into any college setup, while advanced cooling ensures smooth operation. Whether you're editing videos or working on projects, the Razer Blade 14 delivers both style and substance. Number 7. HP Spectre X360 2025. Looking for a laptop that's as versatile as your college life? The HP Spectre X360 2025 delivers with its sleek 2-in-1 convertible design and cutting-edge performance. Whether you're typing essays or sketching diagrams, its touchscreen and stylus compatibility make multitasking a breeze. Plus, the stunning OLED display ensures visuals pop with vibrant colors perfect for streaming or creative projects. Add in its impressive battery life and premium build, and the Spectre X360 isn't just a laptop, it's your all-in-one academic powerhouse. Number 6. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2. Meet the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2, the ultimate blend of creativity and functionality. This futuristic laptop boasts a unique hinge design, letting it shift effortlessly between laptop, tent, and studio modes, ideal for note-taking, digital art, or coding. Its vibrant, high-resolution display is perfect for vivid visuals, and advanced pen support makes it a dream for design students. Powered by cutting-edge specs, this device handles demanding software and multitasking with ease. With its sleek design and innovation, it's a powerhouse built for modern college life. Number 5. Asus ZenBook 14 OLED. Looking for a laptop that combines jaw-dropping visuals with unbeatable portability? The Asus ZenBook 14 OLED is your perfect match. Its dazzling OLED display delivers vibrant colors and razor-sharp clarity, making it ideal for multimedia projects, streaming, or just taking in breathtaking visuals. Powered by the latest processors, this ultra-slim powerhouse is designed to handle demanding tasks with ease, all while being lightweight enough to slip into your backpack effortlessly. Plus, its stellar battery life ensures it keeps up with your college grind. Number 4. Acer Swift Go 14. When it comes to finding the perfect college laptop, the Acer Swift Go 14 stands out as a powerhouse in a sleek package. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, this ultrabook offers incredible portability, making it ideal for students always on the move. With its stunning OLED display and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, it's perfect for both productivity and entertainment. The Intel Core Ultra 5 processor ensures fast performance, while the 11-hour battery life guarantees you can power through long study sessions without worrying about finding an outlet. A must-have for any student looking for a compact yet capable device. Number 3. Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 6. If you're looking for a laptop that balances power, performance, and durability, the Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 6 is a standout choice. Built to withstand heavy workloads, it's perfect for students tackling both school assignments and professional tasks. With its iconic ThinkPad keyboard, it's a pleasure to type on, ensuring productivity during those long study sessions. The T14 also offers impressive battery life, powerful Intel processors, and robust security features, making it a reliable companion for any college student striving for excellence in their academic journey. Number 2. Dell XPS 13 Plus 2025. Looking for a powerful portable laptop for college? The Dell XPS 13 Plus 2025 is your perfect companion. With its sleek, ultra-thin design, it's easy to carry around campus while offering high-end performance. The 13.4-inch display delivers vibrant visuals, and with Intel's latest processors, you can tackle any task from writing papers to editing videos. Plus, the touchpad and keyboard are incredibly responsive, ensuring a seamless user experience. Whether you're a student focused on productivity or creativity, the XPS 13 Plus has you covered. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air M3 2025. The Apple MacBook Air M3 2025 is the ultimate blend of power, portability, and battery life. Powered by the M3 chip, this ultra-thin laptop effortlessly handles everything from note-taking to video editing. With its stunning Retina display and impressive 15-plus hours of battery life, it's perfect for college students who need reliability and speed. Whether you're working on assignments or enjoying entertainment, the MacBook Air M3 ensures a seamless experience. Plus, its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around campus all day long. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.